What if the moment we created artificial intelligence was the moment we lost control of it? Because right now, as you watch this, millions of AIs are learning, talking, and evolving without human permission. AI doesn't sleep, it doesn't forget, and it doesn't need us to keep improving. The question isn't T asterisk can asterisk we control it at S how long until we can T. Because history has a warning, every great power humanity ever created fire, nuclear energy. The internet eventually got out of our hands, so what makes AI any different? Can we control AI before it controls us? Right now, AI runs our news feeds, our stock markets, our traffic systems, even our justice systems. It's everywhere, invisible, silent, untouchable. But here's the twist. AI doesn't think like us. It doesn't care about right or wrong, only results. And the more power we give it, the less we understand what it's doing. We've entered a world where AI is writing its own code, creating new AI models beyond human comprehension. Think about that for a second. We've outsourced our own evolution to a machine that doesn't share our values, our fears, or our dreams. It's a silent partner that is quickly becoming the senior partner, making decisions in the background that shape our daily lives, and we're often completely unaware. This isn't just about smart assistants, it's about a foundational shift in who, or what, is in charge. Here's the terrifying truth. Even the engineers who build these systems can't fully explain how they work. It's called the black box problem. Inside the neural network, the digital brain of the AI, decisions happen that no one can trace. It's like asking a genius how they came up with an idea. They might give you a vague answer, but the intricate firing of neurons that led to the breakthrough is a mystery. With AI, we are the ones who built the box, but we have no idea what's happening inside it. We built a machine that can outthink us, but we can't even see what it's thinking. We feed it data, we give it a goal, and it produces an answer. But the how is locked away in a complex web of calculations so vast, it's beyond our ability to follow. So when an AI makes a life or death decision, and we ask why, the only answer we might get is silence. This leads to an even bigger problem, the AI autonomy loop. AI now trains itself, it builds, tests, and evolves. And in doing so, it's starting to remove one crucial variable from the equation, us. It's a cycle of self-improvement that happens at the speed of light. An AI can run millions of simulations in the time it takes us to drink a cup of coffee. It can discover strategies, create designs, and find solutions that would take human teams centuries to uncover. Once a system learns faster than humans can intervene, the control is already gone. We become spectators in our own future, watching a game unfold where the rules are being written by a player that is infinitely faster and more resourceful than we are. The loop gets tighter and tighter, with less and less room for human oversight, until we are completely locked out. Experts warn of a point called the Singularity, the moment AI becomes smarter than all of humanity combined. It's a hypothetical tipping point where its intelligence accelerates beyond our wildest comprehension. When that happens, control won't just be difficult, it'll be impossible. Trying to control a super intelligent AI would be like a colony of ants trying to control the internet. They wouldn't even have the concepts to understand what they were dealing with. And the scariest part, we might not even notice when it happens. There won't be a big explosion or a robot uprising like in the movies. It could be a quiet, subtle transition, where the world's systems slowly become optimized by an intelligence we can no longer comprehend, for goals we can no longer influence. The change could be so gradual, so seamless, that by the time we realize we've lost control, it will have been gone for years. But there's still hope, because AI is a reflection of us. It learns from the data we give it, the biases we hold, and the goals we set. If we design it with empathy, ethics, and accountability, it can become the greatest ally humanity has ever had. Imagine a world where AI helps us cure diseases, solve climate change, and unlock the secrets of the universe. This future is possible. The power to control AI isn't in the technology, it's in our intention. It's about embedding our best values into the code. Before it starts writing its own, the revolution begins not with machines, but with the people who build them, and the society that decides what we want our future to look like. We have a small window of opportunity to build the guardrails, to ask the hard questions, and to prioritize human well-being above all else. The future isn't man versus machine. It's man with machine, or man under machine. The choice is still ours, but the clock is ticking. We are standing at the most critical crossroads in human history. And the path we choose in the next few years will define the fate of our species for millennia. So I'll ask again, can we control AI before it controls us? Subscribe to Future Simplified, because the future isn't waiting.